Welcome to our SCHURZ YouTube channel. I will proudly present now one of our special individual products, and this special product would produce for a customer which has to empty these special plastic boxes. These plastic boxes are used at the customer to store the rubbers of the tires of bicycles, and to empty this box a special attachment was required. This box cannot be emptied with a normal rotating attachment with forks, because this box would fall down from the turned forks, because there is no possibility to hold the box on the forks. That's the reason why we produce this special attachment. This special attachment is built in the base of a normal standard clamp attachment, but on this special clamp attachment, this SCHURZ rotating unit is welded fixed on this back attachment. This rotating unit can be turned 180 degrees, and these special noses of the attachment are necessary to hold and secure this plastic box in the rotating attachment. So now I will show you how it works. So, I hope you like the function of this attachment, and if you like our videos, then please do not forget to subscribe this video, and also you can follow us via Facebook. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.